Hey guys, what's up? Mike here, back with another short video presentation, I guess you could say, of Mike's DVDs Blu-rays collection. Today's new release of Birds of Prey. This just came out this week, and I picked it up. My son's a big fan of DC comics, and he really liked the Suicide Squad movie. I'm kind of indifferent. I mean, I guess I will watch it and be entertained. But I guess I watched the Suicide Squad too many times because he was really into it. So maybe I'm gonna look at this with a different, maybe a different state of mind. I'll watch it. You know, maybe a different opinion about it. But yeah, this came out this week. Birds of Prey, the fabulous emancipation of the one Harley Quinn. So yeah, I don't really know much about this other than it's kind of a continuation of sorts. So yeah, cool. And I know a lot of people are looking forward to this. So until next time, guys, I'm Mike, and watch good movies and stay safe out there in this COVID world. Later, guys.